Are you tired of making half square triangles? 1, 2 at a time? You would like to be able to save time and be able to make multiples at one setting using 2 pieces of fabric, your light and your dark? Well, stick around for this quilting quickie where in 3 minutes or less I will show you how to make 8 half square triangles out of a 4-inch square. You will get them to be 1.5-inch squares. So time is short, like always, so let's get started. Just create with fabric and floss. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 4-inch squares and we're going to draw just like we would for a regular half square triangle. You're going to line up and you're going to draw your 1/4-inch seam that you're going to sew on from corner to corner. And then you're going to rotate it and you're going to do the other corner. So you're making an X on your fabric. Now you're going to take it to the sewing machine and we're going to sew down those lines that we drew on all 4 of them. Now we want to take our ruler and you're going to go down the center of each. And I'm just lining up those cross hatches. Rotate it. And now we're going to cut our triangles or our squares in half. You're going to press them toward the dark side, and then you're going to square them up to 1.5-inch squares. So if you got something out of this quilting quickie on how to make 8 half square triangles at one time, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe share it with your people, your friends, your family. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another quickie, which is a tip or trick under 3 minutes. If you like this one, be sure to check out the playlist of other quickies. And until then, happy quilting, my friends.